Hey guys, Mars Infinity here and welcome back to another video of Mars Infinity. So today I'm going to show you Tour and Taxes, which is a very famous place in Brussels. It is the most happening place in Brussels, which also means all the events are conducted here and many companies also come and work over here. Tour and Taxes has it all: central location, perfect connection, and a beautiful park. It is a large former industrial site in Brussels, Belgium. It is situated in the Brussels Canal in the city of Brussels. This is the entrance to the Tour and Taxes. On the right side you see Vams Overheid, and the left side you see the Royal Depot. The site is composed of large warehouses and offices surrounding a former freight station and a spacious central hall known as the Royal Depot. In the society there's the screen which shows a small introduction to Tour and Taxes. If you want to see it you can see, but then if you don't want to see you can skip to 1 minute 57. There are also many flowers here, and there is also a park. This is the Royal Depot where many companies come and set offices over there. There is also an area where you can play. Many people play basketball, football, or even volleyball, as you can see there. You can see people playing with skateboards in this video. There are also tables where if you want you can sit on them, or you could also play table tennis, or you could do anything actually. There's also a French fry van where you can eat. And fun fact, French fries are actually from Belgium, made in Belgium. And that's the parking lane where people can park their cars or scooters or anything. And there's also the depot design building. This also leads you to the parking ground, and there are also many designs over there. And this is like the way to the park. This is called the Vams Overheid. It is the government of Flanders, which is the northern part of Belgium. And this is a really huge building. There are also these flowers. Please help me out finding what species they are. And this is the pathway to the park, and the sand is where many people play with balls. And the black building over there is called Mission Bell Expo, and it's an auditorium where you could either use it as a museum or a play area like a theater. And right beside it is the Vams Overheid. These are some other flowers, and there's also a honeybee over there. There are also many mushrooms, and please do help me find the species of these flowers too. And the purple color flowers are also some of the beautiful flowers we saw in Tour and Taxes. The scenery of the trees is also beautiful as the leaves turn yellow. And on the Mission Bell Expo building, there's also a sign called the Brussels Environment, which means Brussels environment or the environment. And the building over here is where the story of how the building was built is. And there actually used to be an open theater. I'll just put a video over here. It is about to be winter right now, so they just took out the open theater. It is actually Europe's largest theater, and people can just watch from their cars. There are also many toys for kids to play, like a cow and some haystacks. And that is where all the story behind Turan Taxis is written. Now we are about to go to the... This is the free wall instruction board, which tells the rules and regulations you need to take before drawing with or spray painting the wall. You could pause and see the instructions if you want to. And this one's my favorite spray painting. It's actually made out of, the white lines are actually made out of thread. There are many people over here who come and spray paint. These are some people who are spray painting. And this is the entrance to the park we are going to. From here itself you can see how beautiful it is. The sunshine and all. Really great. Many people bring dogs with them to play. And there's something which I call as the exercise pit, where all the materials needed to exercise are there, and it's right under a bridge. From here itself you can see many people running, walking, and typically actually exercising. And there are also many dogs they bring with them. You could also see many trees getting the fall colors. This is also a sneak peek of a next video. I am going to show you the view from the tower, well, third largest tower in Belgium. And please subscribe and turn the notification bell to all so that you can see the next video, and it's really beautiful. And the circular area where the people are playing is where all the music events are held. Any person can come there and play music. And this is the string balancing area. You can see some people who are professionals string balancing. They actually bring a van over here and bring all the equipment and materials. And this is actually free. Anybody who comes there can string balance. Many kids also go there. And this is spray painted mural, which is amazing. Even I tried once, but I wasn't able to do it. And this is the area where you can see many trees with fall coloring. Well, the colors with red, yellow and brown. And you could also see many people exercising over there. And this is the tower. This is a small monument over here. Well, it's rather a pillar, and you could see it from the whole park. This is a pathway where many people come and walk and run and exercise, to be precise. And it's a spectacular view over here, as you can see many trees coming and changing colors. And guys, this is another sneak peek of the next video, so please do subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you can see it. And guys, do remember this, like the third largest tower in Belgium. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.